Hey everyone! Big news, ChatGPT just launched a brand new image generation feature, and I've been playing with it all day. This update isn't just a small tweak, it's a major leap forward. If you've used ChatGPT's before, this is going to feel like a whole new world. In this video, I'll walk you through 10 mind-blowing use cases of this new tool and show you how powerful it really is. So first things first, ChatGPT is out of ChatGPT. No more ChatGPT 1, 2, or even 3. Instead, OpenAI has rolled out something called native image generation, built directly into ChatGPT. And let me tell you, it's a huge improvement. This new image model is currently available for all paid users, that includes Plus, Pro, and Teams. If you're on the free plan, you'll have to wait a bit. Alright, let's dive into the use cases. I started by asking ChatGPT to generate a product box design. I gave it super specific instructions, exact text, box color, layout, everything. The result? It nailed it. The design followed every detail down to the way I spelled chocolate. Insanely accurate. Next, I needed a banner for a resort's website, menu items, central text, vacation theme. It produced a square image at first because I didn't specify the size, but once I asked for a 16:9 version, it resized beautifully. Best part? You can click on the image and request revisions like removing elements or changing text. It updates instantly. Then I tested its ability to generate a realistic photo with lots of text, like a whiteboard scene with a San Francisco Bay Bridge reflection. It handled it impressively, placing the text exactly as I'd written it. Even my own version came back nearly perfect, with minor variation in the person's placement. To really test the upgrade, I reused old ChatGPT 3 prompts, and the results were night and day. What looked like illustrations before now looks photorealistic. From butterfly close-ups to grand libraries, the difference is obvious. It even tackled portraits way better than before, something ChatGPT really struggled with. I tried creating a thumbnail of myself. The prompt was to cut me out, add a tetchy background, and have me holding a glowing OpenAI logo. The results were close, recognizable, but not quite me. Even when I asked it to keep the exact same person, it swapped in someone else. It's not 100% ready for personalized thumbnails yet, but it's getting close. Turning myself into a wizard? That worked surprisingly well. I tested its ability to include AI company logos in an image, like Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, Hugging Face, Midjourney. It got most of them right, even though it randomly added an 8th logo. And it still kept the design consistent. You can also tweak layouts, ask it to uncrop edges, or remove things, though cropping still trips it up occasionally. This one blew my mind. I asked ChatGPT to help design an infographic on the evolution of video games. From classic consoles to concept models, the timeline and visuals were spot on. It even matched the shape of devices like the Nintendo, all while getting tons of small text right. Want to generate memes? Just ask ChatGPT to come up with one. The first try was cropped, but I simply told it to fix that, and boom, it resized the image and aligned the text perfectly. Ready to post. I gave it an image of a thumbnail and asked it to turn only the person into a cartoon, keeping the background untouched. The result? Perfectly done. It preserved every detail of the background, even the OpenAI logo, while transforming me into a cartoon. I wanted a Time magazine cover, confident person, visionary expression, AI logos all around. I forgot to upload a photo, but it somehow still produced a person that looked a lot like me. When I later gave it a photo and asked for a crossed arm pose, it got everything but my face exactly right. Wild, right? It's not perfect yet. For instance, when trying to replicate a sunlit photo, the sun sometimes shows through the person, not ideal. Cropping is hit or miss, and it still struggles to generate a perfectly accurate version of someone's face, which matters a lot for creators like me making thumbnails. Also, it's slower than other tools like Midjourney or Recraft. I've tested it across my Pro and Teams accounts, and it's consistently a bit sluggish. That said, it only launched yesterday, so I expect performance to improve soon. So that's a wrap on my first deep dive into ChatGPT's new image generator. This is a major update with tons of potential, and we're just scratching the surface. If you're into content creation, marketing, or design, this is absolutely worth exploring. Thanks for watching. I'll be back soon with updated prompt strategies and more creative examples. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.